of Malaysia. 11-4, 11-8, 11-8. So a lot of confidence coming into this match for Chon Jong Bom. But it's going to be Zubana who starts.
Yes, absolutely. After equalizing these scores 1-all in the match.
20 years old, maybe the baby of the team actually, and playing his first big event. And is
Oh yes, Rai. This is something which is. And look at the stance of young Chon. Absing out of the court,
and
trying really hard, but Chon looks determined.
and what a run it's been for EPRK. Now that's just lost the first point there for Kazakhstan in this match.
They wanted to go for the
Nil kind of a scoreline in this encounter between Kazakhstan and EPRK. Now it's flip scoreline so far.
onto the trajectory of the ball.
Oh.
Beautiful she did.
So in the group stages, Sanzar Subanov had played one match. Come back to that. It was played yesterday against Sri Lanka. Interestingly, he did not play. It was Iskandar who played that match. Cushion now.
You could see roll from the Chon. Again, another spinnies with the back end and slowly getting these important points. Chon wanted
Now by Zubanov managing to get those 6 points and
not playing so aggressive game unlike Ri Jong. Oh, Chon wants to give back. Oh, beautiful. Zubanov to serve. Has given away with this forehand of Sanzar Zubanov. Game 2. Now wanted to have that strawberry backhand there. Settling in the game with 2-1. He started getting a lot more points onto the forehand. Maybe he should continue with that strategy, with that grip.
you can just see that celebration because Chon, with the opportunity to put pressure on Zubanov, tennis teams. In fact, it was an overall championship because there were other events as well. This is the first time that only a teams event, but if you go down to ground level, another one yesterday when we were down there, and you can just hear
Right now, talking about the music to the ears, you can. Sanzar Zubanov have not been able to display his skills here and to get this another game here.
I like the way that he shaped up and then put that winner in. Aggression again tries to do that. High toss. But it's a good shot.
Such kind of strokes would definitely give a lot more confidence to Kazakhstan. He wanted to go for Zubanov. He has this service. He has this. If he can take this point, he could be morale. The morale could also be up. With this,
Focus. Focus on getting back. What a hit. That
Zubanov is very much there to command this game. Can he do it with that over?
about being intelligent. It was quite a kicking serve there, one would say. Just the way that Chon delivered that one. Used all his...
Sure. Chong, can he do it for his country? Yes, he did it. He did it with that soft block. Absolutely placing him deep back in the DPR Korea corner there.
Oh, absolutely.
Down with the shoulders. Look at the way he is explaining these two games, but this is where courage to fight back comes in. And when Chon is fighting for a good job, that
And that point. Toss. Can you just tell me a little bit more about that?
it gives you a little more room to play the stroke that you want to play, and typically would not be very happy. He is missing on.
If it's just not going your way, you've somehow got to.
With that powerful down the line, had won last year against the same team, 3-2.
And then it's Kirill Gerashimenko. You know, his efforts will go to waste even if he wins the next particular game and he's not backed up. But I'm looking forward to the next game. It's because it's between Kirill Gerashimenko and Ri Jong Sik. This time makes
Spinner and a field game as compared to DPR Korea, which plays spin and heavy duty attack. Must have been really happy situation for them.
well, sometimes fortune favors you, but you've got to capitalize on that as well. Onto the net. He wanted success, as you can see the Stupa stat. Chon Jong Bomb 67%.
That showed that
Previous serve.
with such a high percentage, certainly you already have a psychological dominance over the player, because half of the game leave certainly would not be a happy.
Actually makes you in the game in such situations. And the backhand, and that's he turned it on. Everyone talks about Ri Jong Sik from DPR Korea, but take a look at Chon.
He
And you will